Good morning, my lovely little ones. I am Jennifer ma'am. I hope you all are fine. Today, on this bright morning, I will be teaching you numbers in reverse order from 100 to 91. You have already learnt backward numbers from 90 to 0. The next consecutive 10 numbers after 90 is 91 to 100. So we are going to learn how to say and write numbers in the reverse order from 91 to 100. But first, let's once again understand what is meant by backward numbers. Backward numbers is counting numbers in reverse order. Consecutive numbers in backward order generally decrease. As you can see here, from 100 to 91. So today we are going to learn backward numbers from 100 to 91.
Numbers 100 to 91. 1 0 0 100. 9 9 99. 9 8 98. 9 7 97. 9 6 96. 9 5 95. 9 4 94. 9 3 93. 9 2 92. 9 1 91.
Now that you have learned the backward numbers from 100 to 91, let us write the numbers in our notebook.
Children, please open your square line notebook. We will begin with writing the date on the top left hand corner of the margin. 5 dash 1 0 10 dash 2 0 20. On the same line outside the margin, you leave 2 squares, 1 2, and then write the title backward numbers. B, capital B, A, C, K, W, A, R, D, backward, capital N, U, M, B, E, R, S, numbers, backward numbers, into brackets, 1 0 0 100 dash 9 1 91. We will leave a line of empty squares. So let's start first with writing capital H in the first square next to the margin. H stands for 100. Then you write capital T, which stands for tens, and then capital O for ones. Then in the next square you put a dot. Once again, H T O dot. H T O. So totally 3 times. So our first number is 100. So 1 will come under H. 0 below the T and 0 below the O. 1 0 0 100. What comes before 100? Yes, 99. Children, always remember, when there are 2-digit numbers, it should be written only under tens and ones place. So we will write 9, 9, 99, 9, 8, 98, 9, 7, 97, 9, 6, 96, 9, 5, 95, 9, 4, 94, 9, 3, 93, 9, 2, 92, 9, 1, 91. So let's revise once again. 1 0 0 100, 9 9 99, 9 8 98, 9 7 97, 9 6 96, 9 5 95, 9 4 94, 9 3 93, 9 2 92, 9 1 91. So children, I would like you to complete writing numbers 100 to 91 twice. Now children, I have something new for you. What are these? Yes, these are bangles. How many bangles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 bangles. Now, we will draw these same bangles in the book and count them. So children, please open your book to a new page. Write the date in the margin. 5-10-2020. On the same line outside the margin, leave 2 squares and write the title capital C O U N T. Count, 1 finger space, A N D, and 1 finger space, capital W R I T E. Right. count and write. We leave a line of empty squares and then we'll write number 1 in the margin. Now we will draw bangles. So first draw a circle, one more circle, another circle, one more circle, one more circle, one more circle, and one more circle. Then we will put a dash. Now let's count the bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write here number 7. We leave this line and then we'll write number 2 close to the margin. Now we will draw a triangle. Slant, slant, across. Again, slant, slant, across. 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 Slant, slant, and across. Slant, slant, across. Slant, slant, across. And slant, slant, across, and one, the last slant, slant, across, and a dash. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you write 1, 5, 15. Leave a square and then in the margin you write number 3. Now you make a small standing line and a circle, lollipop. One more standing line and a circle, it's a lollipop. One more standing line and a circle and a dash. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we shall write number 3. Again, we will leave a square and then we'll write number 4 in the margin. Now we'll draw sleeping line, a sleeping line, and 2 standing lines. It's a square. Again, you draw a sleeping line, another sleeping line, and 2 standing lines, a square. So we'll draw one more square, another square, one more square, one more square, another square, one more square, one more square, another square, another square, and the last square. Now let's count. We'll put a dash and then we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1, 4, 14. You leave a box and then you write the last number 5 in the margin. Now we'll draw a circle and some slanting lines. What is this? Yes, it's the sun. One more circle and slanting lines and a dash. Now let's count. 1, 2. So children, let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 5, 15 triangles. 1, 2, 3 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 4, 14 squares. 1, 2, sun. So now children, you have learned how to count and write.
So do revise the numbers from 100 to 91 on a regular basis in order to get familiar with the backward order numbers. Bye children. Keep smiling.